इमरान खान और अनुष्का शर्मा ने फिल्म मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला से काफ़ी उम्मीदें लगा रखी हैं और रिसेंटली जूम के साथ एक्सक्लूसिवली बात करते हुए इन दोनों एक्टर्स ने अपनी फिल्म की कुछ डिटेल्स हमारे साथ की शेयर। टेक अ लुक।
Hi Anushka, Imran, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Okay. Delayed response. Okay. Tell me, Imran.
I was waiting for her. I thought she'll say thank you first, then I'll say thank you because
Redo it?
Because generally when we've been doing all of our interviews, the anchor always starts saying something really nice about her, and I think it's about me, and it just leads to confusion. So now I just let her go first.
See, I just get to the point, so I said nothing nice. Okay, that's just straight.
About her or me?
Both of you. Damn. Okay, Imran, first question. Tell me, the first time you're like experimenting so much with your, your look, the kind of language you're speaking, how did you get into the groove?
I have to say this is the toughest thing I've done so far in my career.
Yeah.
Because here, I mean, you're talking about playing a character that you don't know anything about. If I'm doing an I Hate Love Stories, I'm doing a Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, these are characters that I can understand the world that they come from.
Relate to kind of.
Yeah. So I can use parts of myself in the character. You know, the way that I would stand, it's just little things. Here, I can't use any part of me in Matru because it'll be false. So I'm obviously the first thing is learning the language itself. That was a major uphill battle. More than that, the body language was a very key element. So for this, I actually did a workshop in Delhi. I moved to Delhi for a little over 2 months.
So it's almost like boyhood to manhood for you. Kind of.
Very much, yeah. This is the first time that I got the chance to do something like this.
Wow. Anushka, you've seen his previous films?
Not all of them, but most of them. Yeah.
So which look do you like? You like Imran with the beard or
definitely Imran with the beard? I like guys with beard. So. Imran with the beard. Stubble is also fine.
She's into that rugged look. No?
Yeah. I like little scruffy looking men.
Wow.
Rugged, scruffy.
The more chest hair, the better.
No. Let's not get there.
Huh? The scruffy just...
Her ideal man has long, thick chest hair.
No, I vomit. Don't say that.
The shoulder hair.
The back hair.
Don't vomit. I swear, I have whatever this reflects when I think of hair. I'm not joking.
An allergy?
Yeah, I feel like throwing up when I think of hair put together. Yeah,
oh my God.
To me.
I didn't know this.
You didn't know this?
Yeah.
So how do you deal with so much of bearded hair?
That's different. It's there. It's stuck there. It's not like it's in the right place. I mean, you're not supposed to have hair on your shoulders, I'm guessing. I'm sure, actually. I'm not guessing.
So, okay, tell me, Anushka, about your role.
Appropriate places.
Appropriate places. That sounds very correct. You play a bold avatar, and you have this Mufat kind of the way you say your dialogues in the past films also. How different is this one?
I think this character is one of the most complex characters I had to play in terms of, my character has a very steady graph throughout the film.
Right.
And her interactions are with every character in the movie, and very strong interactions, very strong relationships with every character in the film. Apart from that, I would say she's different because she's more, what's the right word? Snappy, more, what do you call someone who's, do you have time?
Mufat.
Can I think?
Yeah, sure.
No, not Mufat. What's the right word? Like, okay, so she'll do anything she wants to do, basically.
Okay.
Anything she wants to do, whatever comes to her head, there's no second guessing. Comes in her head,
spontaneous.
Spontaneous. Bit of an attention seeker.
Okay.
That's why she does these things. The way she looks, just the way she looks, just the way, because all those tattoos, just to get some attention.
Do you think somewhere, actors get stuck in a kind of a loop with the kind of image that they have on screen? Like, for example, you have a chocolate boy image. Does it take a lot to break away from that and say, okay, I'll do something different?
I think images are things that are thrust upon people more than something that they adopt themselves.
Exactly. Yeah. But it also depends on the kind of movies you've done, right?
No,
of course,
can I say something? I think people oversimplify characters and images in our...
And slot them, that's what you mean.
They want to slot, they want to categorize. So they look, it's a pre-thought, it's already thought that I'm going to categorize this actor into something, what is that something that I'm going to... So whatever the closest they get to, they get categorized in that, which is, I think, very unfair to actors, because people think that it's difficult to play really dramatic roles, but actually, like in this film, like Imran, he's a character who looks the way he looks. He speaks in Haryanvi, but he speaks very less that's harder to do.
Right.
You know, to not do much or not do much in a film, on a, you know, in a scene.
It was great talking to a few and wish you all the best for your movie. Thank you so much for being on our show.